Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Lush Gardener. So one of my friend had requested for me to make an arrangement for his boss. So I thought, why not? I'm a little bit nervous because I haven't ever made arrangements for someone else. I've always made it for myself. Because when you tend to make something for yourself, it doesn't actually matter. You can just put in anything and everything. But when you're gifting it to someone else, you are kind of a little bit nervous whether they are going to like it or not. So we will try our best. At the same time, we want to ensure that the succulents that are being put are quite easy ones so that they can handle, because they are not very familiar with succulents. So for that, I have a ceramic pot over here. This is a very old pot. I know it looks very dirty from inside. I have tried to wash it out, but looks like those stains are not coming off. It's absolutely okay. It is going to be covered with soil, so it doesn't matter. We have a drain hole which we will be covering it up. This pot is around 3 inch in depth, less than 3 inch, and the width is around 6 inches. It is made out of ceramic. It is a wide pot, so we will have to make an arrangement in this. I think this is going to work out really well for an arrangement, not for only a single succulent. So I'm planning to put in some of these succulents that you see over here. I was also planning to add in some rock decor, but unfortunately the colors are not matching. I'm not able to find my brown paint. These colors are not looking that great, but we will work out something else later on. We can definitely make some more of those tones. So the first thing and the most important thing, I'm going to cover up the drain hole and then fill in the soil mix. So here we go. We have filled in the soil mix. Now it's time to plant the succulents, and I am not going with any theme. I will just go with whatever is coming up in my mind. We will put up the first succulent, which is our onslow. Haworthia onslow. This is more on the green color, so I'm going to put a titubans over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a little bit of fast forward, because I have to just think about it, what can come with what, and try to make an arrangement. So the next couple of clips you will be seeing is in fast forward, so that I can decide and you won't be getting bored with it, because I'm going to keep taking out some succulents, putting them back, checking what is going to work out or not, and then make a final arrangement. So guys, finally, after taking out few succulents, adding in some succulents, this is how the final arrangement is going to look like. This is what I will be sending it to him so that he can gift it to his boss. I didn't want to make it too complicated, because as I said, the person that is going to be receiving this gift is not very well aware about succulents. So I've tried to give as many easy succulents as possible. We have Graptocedum ghostii, Sedum adolphi, Graptovaria titubans, Graptovaria marpin, and Haworthia onslow. The best thing is that all of these succulents are very well acclimated to morning direct sunlight. All of these succulents require morning direct sunlight. It's not that one of them wants indirect bright light, whereas others want a morning direct sunlight, vice versa. All of them have the same requirements in terms of watering, in terms of direct sunlight. So it is going to work out really well. The gift is within the city itself, so I don't have to be worried about dormancy and non-dormancy, because Haworthias are winter dormant succulents, whereas Graptovarias are winter growing succulents. So we have two types of succulents in this, which doesn't matter in my city. So this is how the arrangement is going to look like. I hope that they like the arrangement. I've tried to keep it as simple as possible, not very complicated, yet breathable for the succulents to grow very well. And let's see what's going to be their reaction. I hope that you like this arrangement, and let me know what do you think, or what are your thoughts on this arrangement. So guys, that's all about it. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe, and keep propagating.